Good morning, folks. Good morning, folks. Good morning, folks. Thank you so much. Thank you for massive support. Brother Sheriff is in Ganta right now. The time from my end is 8:44. So now it seems to be that car can go there, right? It seems to be that car can go there, right? Yeah.
Now the target.
The target.
Yeah.
The target simply, you see the target, that is the road condition.
Yeah.
So sometimes if you mess with the target,
when you say you're going to wait for a car, maybe somebody PBNGO car, then where giant car,
mini trucks, Land Cruiser, Toyota.
Yeah, but then you la log it again now. If you're going to wait, then
so let's assume that probably if I was bringing a patient, you know, then getting a patient on car, because the patient cannot run motorbike. So getting this patient on car to go there, which means it will be time consuming.
Oh yeah.
But however, let us get in front of them. Maybe he might carry me or not. So I'll level our agreement. All right, folks, kindly consider subscribing. This is Brother Sheriff in Ganta. Yeah. Wow, somebody is calling me. Who will be this person? It is Ganta or Vonjama. Yeah, or Banga. The wonderful Ganta. I always hear about Ganta. The original people say Ganto. Those are from here. They love the place to the extent that they don't say Ganta, they say Ganto. So meaning that they are in love with this place. Sorry, I need to introduce myself to you. I'm a traveler and I'm a content creator also. Probably you already know who I am. I don't know who. I'm Sheriff, okay? Sheriff is my name. You have a smartphone?
No,
Okay. I told you you have an Android phone. So if you have an Android phone, I'm going to enter my information. Then you keep following me now. So, but I started with this guy. This guy came to Ganta. I started with him.
Oh, you can tell me your password because my girlfriend has an Android and I may get Android service.
Okay, Brother Sheriff, yeah?
Okay.
Wow. Ganta, the thing about I love about Ganta folks is that Ganta is layout. Yeah, from a point of view, Ganta is layout. So okay, no problem.
I see you doing some work.
Oh, that's good art here. Oh, folks, that's good art here. He just suggests something that I love, because I already tell him what I can do. He's an interesting guy, really. So he's like saying, stick on Jackie way. Yeah. Wow, that's a beautiful building.
I want a business.
Wow.
Justina.
Yeah.
Justina
being the area too.
Yeah, the beach street Justina.
Okay. Wow. Damn. Wow.
The former Chief Justice.
Yeah.
When they get retired.
Yeah.
And they come back, they pay for him.
They come back, for him.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Yeah. Folks, this guy, I told you, this guy is a nice guy. He's trying to show me places now. Yeah. So I may likely route this guy to Capita. Yeah. We discuss, he carry me and bring me back. You know, interacting with him for the first time. It's just the first few minutes, we become friends. Yeah, you know, you gotta respect the hustle. Yeah, we gotta respect one another hustle. I was once a bike rider hustle. So we gotta respect one another. So I call this road we're on.
The road,
Yeah.
like a bypass.
So this is a bypass.
Yeah. From here, you get on the other side, go on the view.
Okay, probably down to past Central Ganta.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
You go to the road, that way down.
Okay.
To Sarabia way.
Okay, okay, okay. I mean, that's a nice building up there. That's a hotel, right? Or guest house?
Living blue.
I see me right there.
That's on my private area.
Wow. Yeah, folks, this guy is doing well. He's doing extremely well. He really want me to capture Ganta, and he's doing.
Jackie, the other lane, floor to my,
Oh,
the men are there.
oh, Chucky.
That's the money here.
Okay, okay. Wow, Jumbo the rock factory. So the Jackie, that this is a Jackie area.
Hey, Jackie. How VP here.
Wow, I gotta spend one night here. Everything in here.
Pool, basketball playing.
Oh, that's beautiful. Ah, this is crazy.
Yeah, here.
Folks, Ganta is a nice place to be. Yeah, Ganta is one of the nice places to be. But I pray that for my home will be like this one of these days. Yeah. I always think positive about my home. Yeah.
You know, people always say,
Yeah.
Nima gonna follow all type of thing, but Nima, what I'm seeing on Nima is
People invest their home.
Nima people invest in places.
Yes.
And not everybody hang all type of thing.
That's not lie. That's not lie.
They play the bay, for Taro, Ferry, the Valley, one of the biggest markets in Ganta here.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's just crazy.
So, Ganta, Nima Ganta as well. People build it through the jealousy is when you do something, somebody wants to.
Yeah, we call it constructive jealousy.
Okay, somebody want to do more than you.
If I see you buy a motorbike,
Thank you.
I want to get a car.
Thank you.
Okay.
So now what building special Nima, Ganta Nima.
Folks, I'm really admiring this guy. So what I'm doing is that this guy will take me around Ganta. Definitely will take our trip to go. Yeah. So don't worry. Let us go. At least let me get some footage from Ganta. Then we can go.
Okay, let's take it to the pool of it.
Yeah. Wow. This is so amazing.
So now what people can do in Ganta here, special Nima, because if I know that most of we the motorbike riders,
Yeah.
some of my friends they get horses, they are paying horses.
Okay.
They get horses.
Okay.
So if I know that my friend are paying horse,
Yeah.
I will struggle. I will join Suzu. I struggle at pay horse.
For sure.
So now Ganta looking at our people them build Ganta through that type of infrastructure, jealousy.
Yes.
That type of
Constructive
movement.
jealousy.
Yeah.
Yes.
So our village is big. When you patrolling Ganta, you know that Ganta is very big.
How come the road just passed?
That area that will pass. That's not small building in our community.
What?
You get building in Ganta, when people tell you that Ganta building, you say that loud. Like greenhouse building in Ganta, one of the funniest buildings.
Spring Tower.
Greenhouse.
You based there or you based in the US?
I'm based there. We'll go back to the area, go to the polo.
Wow. Oh, this is so amazing, folks. Wow. This is Banga parking. Here they put me there yesterday.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and those motorcyclists here, they are running to me. Wow. I'm taking a ride in Ganta on a motovlog. Yeah, I'm just on a motovlog. This guy just crossed the road just like that without no traffic light. Yeah. season time, like Christmas and you know, people can really be far, right?
More than far.
Wow. Oh, this Tapeta Road, right? So that quota is going straight to Tapeta? Ah, wow.
Just now, if they are talking about show.
Yeah.
If they one of the bowling center.
Just in that era, right?
And
wow.
Now they print out, man, I talked about.
So, which are the monument is?
They print out in Hazara.
Wow.
And then they change story. Great. Maybe change story. This hotel Havino, everything.
This is the hotel Havino.
Yeah, everything.
Okay. Yeah. Havino Casino.
Yeah. Everything in the play, no joke. And then I'm playing they play.
Yeah, this something.
Yeah.
Wow. This guy is doing well for me this morning. Yeah.
They make another hotel right on the road, they call it Galaxy. I say, don't like to sleep.
Oh, Galaxy.
Yeah. Over there also.
No, it was nice meeting you. Yeah, it was really nice meeting you. Yeah, I cannot stay to get a number. No, I can't wait to get a number. No, I just have to get a number. And from today we'll be friends. Yeah, for sure.
When you come to guest house,
yeah,
you get a lot of guests in Ganta.
Wow.
Yeah, people get in Ganta. You get a lot of guests. Hilltop.
Oh, this one here?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I wish I had met you last time when I arrived, you know. However, it's never too late. Yeah. So this road is going to Guinea, right?
Yeah, this is a Buddha road.
This is a Buddha road?
Yeah.
Going straight Guinea. But Kota reach to Guinea?
No.
The Kota stop to the Buddha?
It's not to La Bresa.
Ah, okay. Folks, if you are just new to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing, kindly like my video and share if you love Brother Sherry work. I'm on my trip to Tapeta, but just decided this morning just to do a motovlog in Ganta, at least to see some places, you know, how beauty is Ganta, because I always hear Ganta. I have not been to Ganta. This is my first time ever in my life to just come to Ganta. So I'm like, what? This is the wonderful Ganta I've just been hearing about. I'm just feeling the woods, just feeling so relaxed. This is a Buddha entry. Wow. Yeah. I like it. So folks, I'm stopping here and then we're gonna go back. Yeah. So this is Guinea Road. So if you reach here, if you cross this checkpoint, then definitely that checkpoint back there.
We get a bridge down there.
Oh, they got a long bridge back there, right? Yeah. All right then. This guy is doing work for me this morning, folks. So this is the immigration checkpoint. Wow. So I'm pretty much happy. At least I have seen Ganta border entry.
when you go anywhere, maybe Banjama, because they want people keen for even eating like the traditional how you call it. When they were teaching the tradition.
Yeah, Zanza Kawa, right?
Zanza Kawa.
Yeah.
It's not a meeting or hell here.
Yeah.
Maybe you may go by somebody say Guinea Bola or food area.
Oh, there's a food area.
GB.
So red GB here?
Yeah, red GB.
Wow.
So
very, very real.
Somebody may say they can't read the Bola. You saw the GB area, the restaurant and that. Don't disrespect that place.
So that place is very rich.
Go from Morocco. That's the point.
They just come here.
I want to come in.
You can go eat? Oh, you're eating?
Left me the door there.
Okay. You go come back, right?
Already to fire.
Yeah. Well, we can go Tabata today, come back today?
I've been depending on your work.
Okay. I'm just going to ask you a question. Come back.
The whole thing. I'm very less.
Wow.
I should not like David security question.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't worry.
So what going on? Why is it mission?
I'm a traveler. I'm a YouTuber. Can you stop and show my channel to you? Can you stop? I didn't want you to subscribe to me. I'm a vlogger. Yeah, probably I've not seen somebody like this before. I didn't want you to do this one. I asked you whether you have smartphone. Because I really want to follow me. I want you to follow me.
Follow you.
Yeah. And you follow me the same way you're showing me Ganta, and then you may see other places like that before. Without going there, but you can see the place, you know, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, and other places. You know, you see, oh, this guy came here, you know. I interacted with this guy from here.
Oh, no problem.
Sometimes when I first say, well, you lie, man, you lie. Hey, happy rap?
Oh, yeah. I'll follow you. I said my girlfriend, Andrew, and myself, Andrew.
Okay.
Like, I told you about bring out.
Yeah.
I want party.
Okay. Folks, I'm inside. This is the community in Ganta. This is Ganta community. I'm just on the Motovlog, folks. Wow. I told you guys, Ganta is laid out. Though not everywhere have motor, but Ganta is actually laid out. Well structured. Alright. You see vehicles and motorcycles flying everywhere. I wish, yeah, Vonjama could be like this one of these days.
In Hazara era.
This is one of the beautiful areas too. I'm seeing.
Yeah.
Wow. Is this our guest house too?
I met sleeping place.
Wow, royal home.
Yeah.
No, the place is beautiful, man. I like the area, man. Wow.
I never did that.
Wow.
Like in Hazara. I think
he's a businessman?
Yeah, businessman. I think he said he music too. He left to sing, so maybe he want to follow me.
No, so sometimes I want to interact with him. Because if I meet him, then I will show myself to him too. Then probably he will say, well, then this guy, I think I can appear in this guy footage. I can appear in this guy cameraman. Okay. Yeah. Because he's a superstar too. Yeah.
When come back, the man are common man to meet.
Okay. I will introduce myself to him. Then probably
they Methodist, one of the biggest hospitals.
This is Methodist hospital?
Yeah, they'll go and buy you. One of the biggest hospitals. I have good doctor.
Wow. Yeah.
One of the best doctors. People can even come from JFK.
Oh, here, right?
Yeah.
So this is private?
Yeah.
So we can go there, probably I can ask them whether they got some instrument there to work. Because I'm bringing patient. This one I'm going to tap it out. Okay. So if I just ask them here and then they are able to tell me that yeah, indeed they can treat the person, sometimes we must stop here. You know what I mean?
Oh, no problem.
Yeah. Oh, folks, this guy I just met, he's just nice guy. Yeah, just nice. Yeah, he's a nice person. How are you? What's up? I'm Brother Sharif. Okay. Yeah. How are you, Chief? Fine. Brother Sharif, my name. Okay. It's nice meeting you. Wow.
play major part in my job.
This is so beautiful. This is private clinic, right? Or private hospital, right?
Ganta United Methodist.
Oh, Ganta United Methodist Hospital. Oh, this is nice. So the main doctor, can you just ask for him, for me? If there I can interact with him.
Come.
All right. Oh, folks, I don't know whether they might like for me to do my vlogging. I don't know. So now I'm going in there. Let me see. Christian Health Association. This is Ganta Methodist Hospital. All right, then. So I gotta stop here because I'm seeing a lot of people asking questions. We're doing this, we're doing that. So I gotta stop here. And then